Quarantine baking, baby. Oh yeah. Alright. Hi all. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. I'm Jackie and this is Jackie's Court. Today we're going to be making soft pretzels because Target's thing is closed and I want a pretzel and I can't get one, so I'm going to make it myself. And I have my sister here helping me.
Hello.
Her name is Jocelyn. And she also has a YouTube channel named curly.beautyx. If you want to go subscribe to her, she does hair and talking videos and beauty, things like that. So if you like me, subscribe here. If you want to try this recipe, do it. Let me know how it goes down in the comments and let's get into it. Get into it.
Get into it.
I can't do it. So first, I found this recipe off of Tasty. It's like a 2-ingredient one. I wanted to do one with yeast, but the stores were all out of yeast. I went to 3 different stores. None of them had it.
People must be making a lot of bread.
So I found one that required 2. So we got some Chobani plain yogurt. And we got some self-rising flour. And apparently this is gonna do the job.
Did you get a hole in it?
No, flour always does that. So we need We need 1 3/4, I think. Yeah, 1 3/4. And now we're gonna need 1 cup of yogurt, of the plain yogurt. Greek. So now that our dough is okay, they can't use that. Bro, what?
Yeah, bring it. Yeah.
Okay. Now that our dough is done, we're going to throw some flour. And don't worry, we cleaned the table off on the table. In. Now we dump her off.
Oh.
Probably go upstairs and be up there for the rest of the night.
Why did you feel the need?
I was nervous.
Add a little bit more flour on top of her.
I hope y'all can see her.
No, she white now, so she blends.
Roll in my hand.
Roll it out. Yeah. Roll it out. Make them skinny. Snakes.
Snake.
Oh. you're gonna need a cookie sheet. You need
long
a
pan.
cookie sheet pan. Ours is a little rusty, dusty, and old.
We use parchment paper?
Yes.
I don't think that's what.
You're gonna take your little pretzel.
Yes, you tell me what to do.
Take your little pretzel. Take your pretzel. This is me just trying to pick her up. Take it. And you're going to snap her up. And she's small. So don't touch. And like that. So now just she's gonna take her little.
She's gonna break.
You twist it, you put it at the end, and you kind of punch it in. Yep. Hey. And so we're gonna do. And when the timer is off, then we will get right back with you guys. All right, party people. So now we're gonna make some cinnamon. I'm gonna put some sugar in here. No lids. Don't play that game. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Okay.
I think you need more cinnamon. Maybe not. You put them on these?
Mm-hmm. And she's gonna rust the butter on there. Alrighty. Alright, ladies and gentlemen.
Hold them up.
This is
Pretzels.
our finished product.
I want to shove it up close.
Wants me so bad.
They look good. Cinnamon one too. You ready? These are actually good. Hold on. Look, you done got my pencil in there.
Wait, go. Decent enough. Decent enough. I mean, better than none.
It's good. Yeah.
Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you liked me, subscribe to this channel. If you like her, go subscribe to her channel, curly.beautyx. It will be linked down below. And come back for more videos. I don't know what else to say.
Have a good day.
Stay safe, wear your mask, whatever
Stay
you need to
inside.
do. Bye. Okay.
Is that what you're gonna do?
Yeah.
Oh, you can do it. I didn't know what you were doing.
Whoa.